Hey, what's going on, guys? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you stumbled upon this video, you might be researching how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2019, okay, this year. So if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, hello. If you're one of my subscribers, hey guys, good to see you. If you've never watched any of my videos before, then welcome. My name is Aaron Chen. I actually teach people how to build more profitable online businesses on this channel. So consider subscribing, because that's what I talk about in most of my videos on this channel. And at any time you can click the description in the link in the description below, and you can get access to my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies for free. Okay, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2019. This is what I've decided to do. I've decided to talk a little bit about first how not to do it. Okay, so one of the things that I do a lot is I review a lot of products, okay? And literally, by now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus products. A lot of these products are in the sort of the make money niche area, okay? And it's crazy because the amount of affiliate marketing products that I've vetted through, and all of them teach the same crappy little strategy, is absolutely insane, okay? So let me explain the strategy to you, right? So what they do, and there are many different versions of this, but it's essentially the same thing, okay? So what they teach you how to do is they say, okay, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do is you need to pick some money-making affiliate products. They don't even say good affiliate products. They just say money-making affiliate products. The top sellers on JVZoo, the top sellers on ClickBank. You can use this software or this website to find the top bestsellers, okay? And then what you need to do is you need to learn how to drive a lot of traffic, a lot of eyeballs, and send it towards your opportunity, your offer. And then literally the more traffic you send to that sales page that sells that top ClickBank offer or top JVZoo offer, the more money you're gonna make. And then that's it. And that's essentially their whole strategy. Now, there are lots of done-for-you systems, right, that are built around this strategy. And what they do is they say, okay, so I'm gonna give you my done-for-you website software that's gonna build you a website where you can sell these top affiliate marketing offers. So you don't have to build them yourself. I'm going to give you, 50 of my pre-written emails, and you just load them into your autoresponder. You drive traffic, you capture the lead, it sends them to this pre-made, affiliate marketing website, and then you email them every single day, leading them back to the website. You don't have to write the emails because it's all done for you, and you're gonna make lots of money, okay? So you may have bought some of these products yourself, and they range from like $7.69 to like $47 or something like that one time. And then obviously there's like lots and lots and lots of upsells in the back end, right? Because the front end products never really teach you anything. They just want to get the first sale so that you can actually see the upsells. Now the upsells can range anywhere from $300 to $600, okay? And most of the time, again, they're pretty useless. Now don't get me wrong, there are some good products, but most of them, 90% of them, are just pure rubbish, okay? So what's the way to make money with affiliate marketing? Well, what I just explained to you is the way to not do it, okay? Because what these product creators fail to explain is that people don't buy from sales websites like this anymore, okay? If you drive traffic to a capture page, you get someone's email address, and then the next thing they see is a sales page, and it's a lot of the sales pages are really horrible, by the way. They're not good. They're not designed very well. The sales video is not very good. They're extremely hypey, right? So they'll say stuff like, invest $7 and become a millionaire next week, or I just reviewed one yesterday. It said, you're gonna be able to earn $600 in the next 5 minutes. That's literally what it said. It said, you will earn $600 in the next 5 minutes, and then you're gonna be able to get checks of $15,000 every single week. Now, come on, let's be real, right? This is a real business. Selling digital products, selling affiliate marketing products on the internet is a real business. There is no way in hell that you will ever make $600 in your first 5 minutes, or $15,000 in your first week. It's impossible, okay? I don't care what anybody tells you. I don't care what the sales page says. I don't care what, magical system they have. It is impossible, and nobody can do it, especially if you're a beginner, okay? If you're a beginner, you have no skills, you don't understand affiliate marketing, you cannot go from a standing start to making hundreds of dollars in your first week. It is physically impossible. Now, if you're an experienced marketer, right? Somebody who knows exactly what they're doing, then yes, of course you can do this kind of stuff because you already have the experience. You've got the infrastructure, you have the foundation, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about how do you bring a beginner, someone who has never made a single sale on the internet, and make them generate sales so that, you know, they can actually become profitable, right? So that's the problem. A lot of these sales messages are just set up to get you to buy their products. Do they really care whether you learn how to, you know, really make money online? Not really. They don't give a shit. Honestly, they don't. All they care about is how do they sell more products to you? How do they give you just enough information to get you interested, but keep you spinning round and round and round a hamster wheel? That's all it is. And you should see a lot of these upsell products, right? So the best product creators, what they do is they have upsells, right? But the upsells are really good. They should be complementary, right? But 90% of the products out there on internet land, okay, the upsells are random. They don't have anything to do with the front end product. They just, you know, have a whole bunch of different random products, a bit, you know, some softwares, and they just jam it together, charge a few $100 for each one, and then hopefully you're gonna buy all the upsells and they're gonna make a lot of money while you stay really, really confused, okay? So, I know this is kind of like a roundabout video, but I wanted to explain that to you because if you're seeing a lot of these products, okay, and if you've bought any of them, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and nobody talks about this stuff, okay? So that's why you're confused, right? So if you bought a ClickBank product for $37 and it sounds very familiar to what I'm talking about, it's exactly the strategy that keeps you confused, right? That's why you're trying, you know, that you're trying to make money online, but you're like, man, Aaron, I can't make money online because this strategy is a 2005 strategy. Back in 2005, if you did what I just told you, drive a lot of traffic to an offer, like just a crappy little sales page, you'll make money. You'll make money. You get on Google, you get AdWords, right? You drive some, you know, leads, whatever it costs at the time, right? 20, 30, 40, 50 cents, $1 clicks, right? You'll make a ton of money, right? And that's how I made a lot of money too, back in 2009, right? So 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, that was like the prime period. But in this day and age, 2019, trust me, if you do exactly what I just said, what all these guys tell you how to do, which is basically a strategy that doesn't work, you're not gonna make any money, okay? So, how do you actually do it, all right? It's actually pretty simple, okay? It requires a little bit more work, all right, on your part, but if you think about it, it's not that complicated when you understand how to do it, okay? So this is how it works. Think about this, right? Why would someone ever buy something from you on the internet? Really think about it. Right? If somebody saw an ad somewhere and they clicked on that ad and it said, hey, listen, if you want to learn how to build an internet marketing business from home and, you know, maybe generate some income to pay your bills and travel the world, click here. So somebody clicks there, right? So they go to a sales page, right? Why would they ever exchange money and buy your product? Why would they buy your product when they don't even know you? They don't trust you, they don't know who you are. So that's what you have to think about, right? So in order for you to get people to buy from you, you have to get them to know, like, and trust you, right? So how do you get them to know, like, and trust you? Very simple. You offer them lots of value. You teach them things. You do something that I call STT, okay? Share, train, and teach. And when you share, train, and teach to your email list, what's gonna happen is you're gonna magnetize them towards you. You're gonna pull them towards you. I call this pull marketing, right? So everybody on internet land is teaching you something called push marketing. They're just slamming you with offer. They're like, buy, 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 buy. They're literally like slapping you over the head, all right? They're slapping you over the head with the offer. Buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. Why would you buy, right? All I do is I unsubscribe from that marketer's email list, and that's what's gonna happen to you if you use these strategies. And you're probably unsubscribing too, right? From a lot of these marketers' websites, yeah? So that's why it doesn't work. So be super cool. Remember that every single email that you're capturing is a living, breathing, thinking human being, right? And the way that humans want to be treated is they want to be treated like people, like normal people. And how do you treat people like real people? Well, you give them value. You don't sell to them. I mean, can you imagine if you went into, you went to buy a car and the car salesman was literally like slamming sales over your head all the time, like over and over and over and over and over again. You're not gonna buy a car from this guy, right? But the great car salespeople, you know what they do? They ask you lots of questions. They find out a bit about you. They want to know your story. They want to find out why you're using the car. Are you, what's your budget? What color do you like? What kind of make do you want? Do you want a Continental car, a Japanese car? Do you want an SUV? Do you have a family? Do you need a lot of space in the back, right? So they ask you lots of questions before they even think about selling anything to you, right? So it's the same thing on the internet, right? You got to survey your list. You have to ask them questions. You have to give them value. You have to teach them, right? Get them, bridge that gap, okay? And that is how you actually sell lots of products in 2019, okay? Now, this concept, even though it's been around for a long time, and you may have heard this before, is still very foreign to a lot of people, right? So they'll hear that, they'll be like, "Oh, Aaron, I've heard that before, add lots of value to the marketplace," but they still don't get it. They still don't get it. This is what happens, right? They know that they're supposed to do that. They know they're supposed to capture people's email addresses, communicate with them on a regular basis by adding lots of value, and then presenting an opportunity to them, when the time is right, okay? But instead of doing that, they try and buy some business opportunity or some crappy little product on ClickBank, and then they go and buy a solo ad, right, for $1,000 or $500 or $300. They drive that solo ad, they make a whole bunch of clicks, a whole bunch of opt-ins, they don't make any sales, and then they're like, "Holy shit, this whole thing is a scam. How come I'm not making any money?" Well, it's because you're doing everything wrong, right? Don't buy solo ad. Don't buy one solo ad. You don't make a sale and you call everything a scam, right? Don't promote that crappy product on ClickBank because it's shit. Nobody wants to buy bad stuff. You have to sell good stuff, okay? So, there are a lot of different things here that's going on, right? But number one, stop selling, start adding value, okay? Number two, communicate on a regular basis with your list and give them lots of value, okay? Very, very important. Number three, sell good products, okay? Sell products that will actually help your list. Don't think of them as a quick sale, right? This is you gotta think of this business as a long-term business, not a short-term business, right? This is a marathon, not a sprint. You put on your sprinting shoes, you are going to lose, okay? So remember, you got to get your marathon shoes on. You have to think long-term. How do I build a long-term business where people are going to like me and they're going to want to keep buying from me over and over and over again? Now, it's going to take, a little bit of time to create some good, valuable videos, but once you've done it, it's actually, you've done it. It's actually pretty simple, right? So I want you to try this, okay? So a couple of steps here. First of all, I want you to stop buying crappy ClickBank products, JVZoo products, and Warrior Plus products. Just stop, okay? Don't do it. I want you to go out there and think about what are some of the greatest products that you could potentially sell, right? And the best way, and you can ask me if you want, you can get on my list and then send me an email, I'll tell you what I'm selling. But if you wanted to do research, the easiest way is to buy the product yourself. And look, if it's good, it's good. If you buy it and it's horrible, then it's horrible. Don't sell it, right? And then the third thing is make sure that when you're capturing people's email addresses, right, you're emailing them every 2 or 3 days and you're giving them value. So create great content, share that content with them, share, train, teach them so that they get closer to their goals, whatever niche market you're in, weight loss, make money online, golf, eating, love, finance, whatever industry, whatever product you're trying to sell, share, train, and teach to your list. Get them to know, like, and trust you. And when they do that, that's when you build rapport. People like you, they feel connected to you. You pull them towards you. And then when you want to make a recommendation of a product, they'll actually buy, okay? And this is how you sell affiliate marketing products in 2019. If anybody else tells you differently, they have no idea what they're talking about, and they're just trying to make a quick sale from you. I want you to think about that, okay? So let me know in the comments below what you think of this. Maybe you've heard this before. Maybe someone hasn't really explained it to you like this before, but I'd love to hear, what you think about this strategy. And I want to know whether you've even tried implementing something like this, okay? Would appreciate some thumbs ups, guys, if you got some value from this video. And of course, if you're not on my list, if you haven't got my training, if you're enjoying this kind of content, you want to go deeper, right? All you have to do is click on the link right in the description box, enter your best email address, and I'm going to send you a 4-day training that's going to show you how to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business over the shoulder. It's going to be super deep. Make sure you grab your notepad and a book, and you're going to get that for free. But if you want to go deeper and really learn how to do this, and you want to work with me a bit closer, there's an option for you to do that, okay? So take care, all the best. Make sure you keep taking action in your business. And remember, you can do it, man. It's possible. It's really, really possible. You just have to make sure you never, ever quit. Take care, guys. Speak to you soon.